Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Daikon Dave with Food Literacy Center, and we are talking about Veggie Basics. Veggie Basics, we are going to highlight a seasonal fruit or vegetable, and today we are talking about fennel. Has anyone tried fennel before? If not, we're going to be food adventurers together. What you're looking for in fennel though are nice green leafy tops. Nice fresh green leafy tops, which we're going to eat those, and a nice firm crisp hard bulb in the bottom. Now contrary to popular belief, this is not the root, this is a bulb. A root grows out of the bottom and this grows on the top of the soil. It's got kind of a nutty earthy flavor, kind of licoricey, and yeah, if you haven't tried it before, we're gonna try it today. So you can find these at the farmer's market. They're in season right now up through summertime. And believe it or not, once you've seen this and tasted it, you will see this growing all over the place. We have it here in the Sacramento area growing down by the river and the American Bike Trail. And you'll smell it. Smell the licoricey leaves on there and everything. So why don't we get started? We're gonna have our recipe today. We are making a fennel beet and mint salad with orange juice, all seasonal vegetables right now. So let's start off with breaking down the fennel. So we're gonna eat this bulb part and we're gonna shave it super thin with a mandolin. I don't know if anyone's used a mandolin before, but this thing, you slide the fennel on here, and this blade right here is going to cut really thin slices. But adults need to use this. The kiddos, this could be it's really sharp and it's really easy to cut your fingers. You'll see when I demonstrate it right now. So let's break down our fennel really fast. So we're going to cut these. We're going to cut the greens off. We're going to use these later, right? We bought the whole vegetable. We might as well use it. So we'll put some of these fronds on here. This is actually used as an herb. It'll give us a little extra flavor to our salad. So we're going to keep that there. And we have our fennel bulb. Now I'm going to keep the root. I'm not going to cut this off because when we use the mandolin here, that's the part we're going to grip onto. And as we're slicing it and going up and down here, let me show you. So it's just running along that blade on the mandolin there, and it's giving you nice thin slices, see? So we're going to continue with the mandolin here until it gets close to the end. I don't want my fingers anywhere near that blade, correct? I'm going to be super careful with the mandolin. So it's getting close here. So we have super thin slices with our fennel. Oh, it smells amazing. It's got a little licoricey smell to it as well. So we have our fennel. And mint. One sprig of mint. How about a big sprig of mint, right? I like mint. And it says to chaffinade on our recipe. What does chaffinade mean? I believe it's like French for little ribbons, I believe. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll this up in kind of a ball. And then cut it real thin slices. Here, let me show you. And we're going to use our tunnel, right? Because we don't want to lose a finger. So, roll this mint up in a ball. And I'll show you what I mean by little ribbons. Little slices, as little as you can make right here, right? And you're gonna get little ribbons of mint. See those? Right? In the bowl. I'm gonna finish this, excuse me, these mint leaves up. Roll it in a ball. And cut little ribbons with our claw. Keep our fingers out of there. Or the kiddos want to try it out, you could just tear these leaves into the bowl as well. right? Mint. Oh, just like building flavors, we're building smells in the kitchen right now. I've got the licoricey nutty fennel. Now I got mint that the kiddos are tearing into the bowl. Or we got our chiffonades here. Beautiful. Bulb fennel. One beet. Excuse me. Has anyone had raw beets before? Raw beets? No? Well, we're going to be a food adventurer with that too. You could actually eat raw beets. They're really good in salad. It's going to complement our fennel here and our orange juice. So in the bowl, grated beets. Beets, beets, beets. And we're going to juice a lemon. Or orange, I'm sorry, an orange. So when I'm juicing an orange, I like to roll it on the cutting board. The kiddos can do this. Right, it kind of loosens the peel up. It's going to get really juicy. Watch when I juice this. Ready? All right, we're going to slice it in half with our tunnel. Super quick recipe, and we're just going to juice that in there right there. Ready? See all that juice coming out? And when you mix this together, it's going to be a nice pink flavor. Very simple recipe, very flavorful though. I think all these complement each other. We got all the juice out now. All right, where's my mixing spoon? I got tongs here. So let's mix this up. I got the tongs. Like I said, like building flavors, we're building smells too. So we got the licorice fennel. We got beets and the mint. And now we have that orange juice. Oh. All right. Fennel. Fennel, fennel. So yeah, the fennel's at the farmer's market right now. You can get it at the store. Sometimes they only have the bulb at the store. It could be sauteed. It could be roasted. If you quarter the fennel, you could roast it in the oven with potatoes and carrots. So here, we got some salad here, and we're going to pick some fronds off. These pretty fronds. Give it a quick, and just sprinkle that on top, right? Make our food kind of pretty. Here we go. We got the fennel and beet mint salad. Why don't we give it a turn? Why don't we give it a try? Nice fresh fennel from the farmer's market with the beets, sweet, savory, a little licoricey with the sweet orange. So if you have not tried fennel yet, thank you for being a food adventurer with me today. And we will see you next week. Even better the second time. Thanks, guys.